How can you turn on autoplay on YouTube on your iPhone? Let me show you how it works. If it's your first time on Foxtecc, definitely become part of the community for more videos and guides like this. So you open up the YouTube app. Obviously, you should generally make sure that your device as well as the apps are up to date. But essentially, you open up the profile of your YouTube app right here, and you can tap on the gear icon, which is in at the top right as such, and this is the settings for your account, and you can proceed to the other sections which are most definitely part of this, and you can go to the playback section, which is slightly below, and the autoplay next video is one of the toggles which does appear right here. So you can see that this is what you need to turn on, and that's like the important part about it. Outside of that, you also have some important settings. For example, the skipping forward and backward. When you double tap the left or right side of the video, it can go forward 10 seconds, but even like different options are in here. So yeah, and even more settings for your specific content and the way that you would want to watch YouTube videos. But that's all from me. I'm not going to make the video any longer than it needs to be. Thanks a lot, and I hope to see you later in the next future tutorials as well.